guys, happy Sunday. Welcome to the channel. And look what I made using the Marie Antoinette set. I'm not quite done. I still have more papers to cut, but I thought this would be fun. I want to add, see, it's got 4 sections. And what I did was I laminated the papers and then I covered the back with stencil so that they're not white. And then I put these in a little spiral holder. And I thought they were really cute. So my thought was, why not make, I goofed mine up a little bit. I should have had one more hole here, but it's just a measurement thing. I will get better at it. And I could always come in and just trim that off to line it up better. But I'm not gonna. I mean, this is my first. This is my copy. But what I want to do is I want to put some of the pink stuff in here so I can do collages, right? So I'm going to cut these into just over 5, like 5 1/4 by 5 1/4, and put those in there. And then the next thing, I'm going to do this again, but I'm going to do it a little different. And I'm going to make it an art journal, right? So that I can keep adding to it and adding to it and adding to it over time. I just thought it was really, really cute. Keep getting my paper crooked. You could do a lot with it, you know, it's not. There's one set. We'll get those in there, and then we'll get another set in there, right? And we'll just go have fun. The other thing, there were fussy cuts in there, and I thought maybe I could do a, it's a little bigger. I'll take a little bit off this side. I could do an ephemera holder with it. Maybe like if I know I'm going to be working on something, put my fussy cuts in it. I could put index cards in it. I could do so many things with it. And you can do any size you want. You could do the real narrow, like I could have cut her down and done a real narrow. Remember the narrow composition notebooks we used to use? I don't even know, can you still get those? My dad always had one in his pocket. Is that gonna go? Yeah, it went. It scared me, but it went. Come on, let go. How come it doesn't want to let go, guys? Now I'm scared. Had it 5 minutes and I've already broke it. Anyhow, he used to always carry one in his pocket, right? Because he was a carpenter, and he'd always have them on him just so that he could write down measurements. But of course they were always a masculine blue. There we go. Now I'm gonna get this next set done without breaking anything, I pray. So he always had one. And it used to crack me up, you know. It's hard to imagine my dad as an old timer. Of course, now he would be, had he have lived, he would have been in his 80s. But he always had one of those stubby pencils, you know, like he was afraid the store was going to stop selling them. And sorry about that noise. He used to just crack me up. But he would lick the pencil, right? And then put it in the... So these you can take off and on, obviously. I wouldn't do them too many times unless you know the source you're getting them from, because at some point you could be super gluing them together permanently if you're in and out with them too often. All right, so we're going to put her, this set over here. Over here. Come on, girly. Come on, girly. Come on. There we go. Okay, and then I'll hang 2 or 3 in here. Come on, baby. There we go. So it's not difficult. Thought it was pretty fun myself, other than, like I said, I need to work on getting my, let's just go ahead and turn this over. I want to do one in a different theme, of course, but I thought this one was cute. This one I'll keep on my desk at work. And like I said, I'll add some more stuff to it later on. But I thought, how fun is this, right? How fun is this? All right, where do you get your kit? Where do you get this collection? Over on Decor8Your Life. I'll put a link to my unboxing channel, and in that channel, in that video, you can, all of the things you see in here you can get on Sandy's web store. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So I do want to do some trimming, like I need to trim those a little bit. Not much, but a little bit. It's actually this one I need to trim. But yeah, with practice makes perfect, right? But anyhow, pretty cool idea. You could also do a traveler's journal with this. There's so much you can do. Dahlia had done some frames over on her channel, and Edwina did some organization cubes, like she decorated some boxes and put them together to make a nice little desk organizer and all kinds of stuff. I still want to do a journal with what's left of my kit, and so I'll be working on that. And then you guys saw my shadow box last week. Let me show you my shadow box. And I'm going to get started on the little journal next. It's not going to be a great, big, huge journal. I know I'll put that baby up here to dry somewhere. And now I don't see it. Y'all, I'm terrible. I am terrible. It's a pink box with lots of bling on it. How could I possibly miss it? Oh well. Well, I will put the link in the description so you can see it. That in the unboxing. Because honest to goodness, I think I took it in. Oh, wait, nope. Found it. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that wait. So this is what I made last week. Isn't she just adorable? I'm going to put my buttons in here. And I still have to go around my corners with lace so that my buttons don't disappear into the cracks. So I want to go around and do a lace like this. Just a real basic lace. Maybe not this one. I had a real pretty pink one that I was going to use, and then I was like, nope, that's going in my journal. So, next up is my little journal. And I just thought this, heck, you could even just put this on your desk at work. You could make a, 2 or 3 small ones and then just stack them up. But right now, I got a couple of other things I want to make for the upcoming journal, and I'm going to use some different stuff. I really made, proud of myself because I made this digital go a ways, right? I still have leftovers, but not for long, because like I said, I'm going to come in and I'm going to cut these down. I'm going to make a journal, and then I'm going to take what's left of my big pieces and make a journal, and my fussy cuts. I think I'm going to borrow Dahlia's idea. I really am. I hope you don't mind, Dahlia, but I'm going to borrow your ideas. Look at this. Gorgeous. So, I'm off to create a video. I hope you guys will join me, and I hope you'll get over to Decor8Your Life. All the links to her stores and social media will be in the description box, as well as a couple of other videos for you to check out. If you miss them in the description box, look for them in the information bar up here and at the end. Okay, guys, thank you. Don't forget my code also in the description box. And with that being said, guys, I'm going to go start a journal. Come see how it looks. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of my channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed today's video, please share my channel with your crafty friends. It helps me to grow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.